So I got the Tirana out of the garage here. I got it started. The battery is crook. There's the Tirana. It's the GTR with the get me mum's car so I can charge the battery. Yeah. Yes. Yes. This is the LC Tirana. Been in storage for 4 years. And got a good look at the side on now. Wheels, original wheels. GTR badge. And here's my mother. Got me charge the battery. Jump start it. Original steering wheel. GTR.